I know today is so gloomy out. Like, even the dog is tired. It's starting to rain again. There's no sunshine at all. I mean, this is how dark the house is today. And in the backyard, just gloomy. And right now we're home alone, so I just figured, why not make a video? I've got nothing else to do. Yep, there she is sleeping again. Now we're getting little raindrops on the window. Yep, nothing to do today. Any ideas on what to do for a rainy day? Put them in the comment section below. God, I can't even talk today. And tell us what we can do when it does, nasty weather like this, instead of laying around like that.